Once you've booked your trip with AE, the first thing you just need to figure out is how to get to us. So whether you're taking public transportation or carpooling with friends or family, we're going to go ahead and provide you with the GPS coordinates of where you're going to meet us. So depending on the activity, we have a lot of local hotspots that we like to use, but we'll talk to you based on the activity about the options of where we can meet and where we can spend the day. The really special part about Central Pennsylvania is that all of the recreation spots are extremely accessible, so we have a lot of different options to choose from. So we'll tell you a little bit about those different options and pick the one that seems most appropriate and exciting for you, and that's where we'll meet you. We're going to take a lot of moments to stop and to listen and to look. So right now, as we're sitting here, we can hear a lot of insect noise, we can hear some birds, we just saw a great blue heron fly by. So that's something that you can definitely expect on your trip. Cody and myself and everyone at AE are huge fans of wildlife. So, if one of your fears is the snakes or the insects, we're going to do our best to educate you about what's out there, and that, everything in the natural world should be exciting to see, and we get very excited about the things that we hear and we see.